Good morning, students, and welcome to another online life science classroom of St. Michael's Academy. So today I'm going to start respiratory system of toad. Let's start the class. What is respiratory system? First question is, define respiratory system. The system through which oxygen is taken in and carbon dioxide is given out is known as respiratory system, and the organs concerned are respiratory organs. So the next one is respiratory organs of toad. What are the respiratory organs of toad? A pair of lungs, pair of branches, laryngotracheal chamber. Please pronounce it properly. Laryngotracheal chamber. Glottis. See the spelling. Double T is there. Buccal cavity and external and internal nares comprise the principal respiratory organs of toad. Remember this always. These are the respiratory organs of toad which make the respiratory system of toad. So first we are starting with nasal aperture. In front of the head there are two openings called nasal aperture. These are called external nasal aperture. Hope so you have remembered the external structure of toad actually. There it has been shown. System of toad and external structure of toad. When I was teaching you that time you have drawn also this structure and I think you have labeled also this. They are provided with flaps of skin acting as valve. It leads posteriorly into a passage called nasal passage which opens inside two buccal cavities through two pores called internal nasal aperture. So hope so you have understood the nasal aperture structure. Second one is buccal cavity. Behind the internal nasal aperture, a cavity is present called buccal cavity. Next one is gullet. On the floor of the buccal cavity, there is an aperture known as glottis, which opens into a very short chamber known as laryngotracheal chamber or voice box, already discussed in digestive system of toad. Within this chamber lies the vocal cord, the vibration of which creates the so-called croaking sound of the toad. Next one is bronchi. The trachea bifurcates, means divides actually. The trachea divides into small branches which are known as bronchi. Each bronchus enters into one half of the lung. One thing should be noted that is bronchi and bronchus. One is singular and another one is plural. Please remember this properly at the time of writing in exam specially. Now see the diagram. I am starting from glottis. See this black color line, small line is called glottis. This is obviously pulmonary artery. This is lung. And that is another lung actually. This is pulmonary vein. This is laryngotracheal chamber. This is glottis and this portion, please follow the leisure properly. So follow my leisure. This is laryngotracheal chamber and this is hyvoid plate. Hope so you have understood. And these are the inner wall of lungs actually. They have dissected and they have shown. This is the inner wall of lungs. This is bronchus. And here the alveoli are situated. So this is the total structure of a lung. Next one is lungs. Obviously about lungs you know, then also I am repeating. There is a pair of lungs which lie at the thoracic body cavity. Each lung is a large sac inside of which numerous air spaces or alveoli are present. Just now I have shown you in the previous slide. Alveoli are surrounded by blood capillaries. So this is the total structure. Now functions of respiratory organs, you can say first one is gaseous exchange, second one is acid-base balance, third one is pulmonary defense, fourth one metabolism, and the fifth one handling of bioactive materials. So these are the 5 functions of respiratory organs or respiratory system. Functions of respiratory systems also you can write the 5 functions. Now one more thing here I have shown, that is process of breathing in toad. This is the process of breathing in toad. First one is, see, air enters in the buccal cavity. See the arrow, you will understand. Air enters. These are external nares, mouth, buccal cavity, glottis, which is closed now, and this is lungs. The second one, in the second case or second step, glottis opened. Now see, in the second case, glottis opened. So elastic recoil of lungs and compression of chest wall reduces lung volume. And the second one, air forced out of the lungs and out the mouth and nares. In the third step, glottis opened, mouth closed. You can see the arrow also here and there also. Mouth and nare closed, floor of buccal cavity rises, air is pushed into lungs. That means air enters into the lungs. And the last step is, here again glottis closed. Glottis closes, gaseous exchange occurs in lungs. So this is the total process of breathing in toad. Hope so you have understood. If you have any type of doubt, you know what to do. Just jot down your problems and wait for my live or Zoom class. Okay. So thank you students and have a nice day.